It's day 10 of Vlogmas, and my children's books came in finally really late. I didn't have a full set for my last event, but now I am set up and ready to go for 2026. So here's me unpackaging my books, and I also have a special book from Silver Sparrow Comics, and he actually did a what's it called where you collect money? I can't think of the name. Anyways, he drew all these pictures of people's dogs and made them into comics, and it's really cool. It's a whole month of drawings, and it was a lot of fun to meet him in person in Katy, Texas. Next up, I am going to make my wall calendar for 2026. If you're not familiar with the wall calendar, I've done a few videos on it the past couple of years. I think this is my third year doing it, and it's inspired by Jesse Itzler, and I created my own version to use my own sticky note sizes and plan out my year. So that's what we're going to do in the rest of the video. If you want a downloadable PDF of the 2026 wall calendar, grab that on my Patreon, which is down below. It's called the Creative Club, and you can find the poster print like I'm printing here, or you can find just the page size, and you can download color or black and white and print it to your preference. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching day 10. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the video. Last year's calendar, 2025, was horizontal, so I'm going to take it off of the poster board that I have it hanging on and rotate the poster board vertically because my calendar for 2026 is vertical. I think I can fit more text on it this way, and it'll be a lot nicer to see.